हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम।
Good morning to all of you. Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friends who give me a golden chance to speaking to front of you. I am Akhtar Raza. I am from Nepal. Today I am going to tell about education. Before starting my topic, I would like to say some line in Hindi. कि जो चीज़ आपको चैलेंज करती है, जो चीज़ आपको चैलेंज करती है, वही चीज़ आपको चांस देती है। Now going to start my topic. So education. Education is the one of blessing of life, and one it is necessities. We all must work, not wait, not just the politician in the one of leader. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness, and we realize the importance of our voice when we see silent somewhere. So, north of Nepal, I really realize the importance of pen and book when we see guns. When we see guns. So giving guns is so easy, but giving books is so hard. Why is it? Why is it? So memorize. One child, one teacher, one notebook can change the world. So education is the only solution. Education. In the end, education is the most powerful weapon which you can change the world. In the end, I would like to say some line in Hindi कि एजुकेशन ने स्टूडेंट से टीचर बनकर के पूछा, एजुकेशन ने स्टूडेंट से टीचर बनकर के पूछा, क्या एजुकेशन ने स्टूडेंट को टीचर बना दिया? So now I am going to finish my topic. Thank you for listening.
भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो मेरे भाइयों, देर किस बात की, नए बैच के लिए एडमिशन ओपन हो चुका है।